Hi everybody, I'm Brian. This is
Lincoln.
And this is the Apple Bias. If you like all things Apple and Apple accessories, this is the channel for you. And today we have the blue iMac M1 to unbox.
Oh.
So this is gonna be really awesome. I don't even know what to say because this thing is gorgeous. I know there's a lot of people talking about not liking the white bezels. I don't mind them. I think it looks pretty good. And the chin as well, I can understand that. It looks weird. I wish they would have put the Apple logo on the chin. So let's go ahead and let's get this thing unboxed. So he's gonna go ahead and pull
I actually get to do it.
the unboxing. So you gotta pull that right there.
Whoa. Oh, I've never done this before. Well, that's long.
All right, and then
What do we do now?
lift it.
Oh, we did it!
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this thing. Oh.
Okay, so
Hello.
here it is. You can
Hi.
see it says hello. You pull this one out, and I'll pull this one out. You push it.
Oh, you
See
push
how
it.
the arrow?
Whoa, that's sick.
Oh, look at the blue.
Oh, look at
Whoa.
that. Can I just take it? I can't wait to do
Man,
this.
this thing, that is
Beautiful.
light.
That's beautiful.
I am super excited about the keyboard. From everything I hear, it's got the Touch ID, and it should work with M1 Macs. So my next video, I'm going to be hooking it up to my M1 MacBook Pro, and we'll see if that actually works. Because as of right now, you cannot buy them separately, which is a bummer.
Okay.
Yes.
He's very sorry that he did not get the trackpad and the mouse.
I am. I just got
He
the mouse.
messed up.
If you look, you get the Magsafe,
Look how pretty that
the
is.
blue. You can take a look at that.
Oh, and then they
that
do-
man, that blue. I love that blue. And then you have the Ethernet port on the charging brick. The stickers.
Oh, can I have one?
No. You can buy your own
Yeah, I'll
Mac
get-
and
yeah,
then
I'm
you'll
getting
get your
one.
own. So the cool thing about it is you don't just get one sticker. So there's the
Where's
one
the
that
other one?
matches
Where's the
the
other
back. You get 2 stickers. I love these. I love it. So the only one that you don't get 2 stickers with from everything that I've seen is the silver. You just get one silver because it's the same color
Just
on
silver.
the front and the back.
Boring.
Yeah.
But it is pretty though. Yeah, they do really good with the silver.
It is. It looks really cool. You want to take a look at the mouse?
Yeah, I'll do the mouse. Oh, this is. I haven't even seen it, and I already said it was pretty. I don't know why. Oh, but seeing that blue already.
Oh,
Oh,
that looks good.
oh, that's nice.
Okay, that does look cool. Same mouse as before. It looks the exact same charging underneath, which people cannot stand. And
With Touch ID.
Yes, the keyboard does have the Touch ID.
Oh, I can't wait to get
And it does look different than the old one. It's a little more rounded. And it's got a couple different keys. So you got the Touch ID up here. Oh, that feels weird.
It does. Let me try.
Yeah, it's got a different press. So when you press this, it will lock the iMac. And if you just touch and hold, you can unlock it. And then down here, you got emoji world icon to access the emojis. But the key itself does the exact same thing. Oh! Lightning cable, braided blue.
For your phone.
Yeah, well, I mean, but it's to charge and sync this too.
But for your phone.
But yeah, you could use this for your phone as well. All right, so here it is. We're gonna let you guys see the color first.
Were you not even?
We're gonna see just
it?
the front color.
Oh crap.
Oh, you gotta
it moves.
You gotta go under.
Oh wait. Oh. So we'll wait. Oh yeah.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it. I just got it. Hello again. Jeez, we don't want to hear hello. We want to see it. We don't even
And
get to see the
then
front.
I'm gonna pull this off.
Oh, there's another one on that too. Okay, I'll take this side.
I don't know if that side shows.
Oh, I just took it. Oh, I felt it though. Oh.
Keep pulling, keep pulling. Oh, come on.
I can. Oh, I thought you were.
I don't want to look at the color yet.
Oh, it's clear.
Okay.
It's clear, so they can see.
All
the
right.
color.
So yeah, and now.
Okay, I
Oh,
like
so we
the.
gotta see the front first, but you guys still saw the back first.
But I like the white bezels.
They are protecting everything.
Can I see the back first?
Wait.
I want to see the back first.
You can see the back first, but give me a second. Oh, here it is. Of course, Apple has a little tab for everything.
Oh yeah, there's another one over here.
A little...
I'll take this one. It goes this way.
Whoa.
Oh, I got all the front. I mean back. Oh wait, here, wait. I want to go. Can I go see?
Yeah, we'll pull it to your side first.
Yes.
All right.
I get to see it first.
You guys ready? You've already seen it,
blue.
so what's it matter?
Oh, like the back's like probably applebias.
Oh man,
jeez.
that is. Oh.
That's sick.
Oh, there's some more plastic underneath.
Oh, look at that big power button. That's pretty. Look, it has instead of white, it's like the blue color on the Apple. Oh, look at all those.
Yes, you get 4 USB-C, 2 Thunderbolt 4, I believe, and then 2 just regular USB-C. First gripe about this. I like the back color way more than the front.
Oh.
Like, I like this.
But this is not glossy.
But so the screen, the glass that covers the screen
is all just one piece.
All the way down. It's one piece. Which makes this look more baby blue.
It does.
In my eyes right now.
But.
And I'm not a fan of that. So, like, I would probably get like a sticker decal that goes right over top of here.
No, think
of the
like
darker blue.
No, can I say something?
Yeah.
Apple bias, and then have the Apple bias logo.
I like the way this kid thinks. That would be slick.
I'm a good son.
So this thing is really thin, and just to compare, I'm gonna bring out the original colored iMac. So for comparison, here is the original colored iMac. This is the Bondi Blue, very heavy. And this is the new one, super thin. I'm like, this is crazy, just the difference. A lot of people thought that the Apple Watch was the first like health device that Apple made, but that's not true. It was this thing. Because what you can do is you get 2 of them and you get your curling on. 1, 2.
That's not a curl.
Who needs a gym when you got these things? So yeah, so this thing is way different than the older one. And my son here is really wanting one. So he's gonna be saving up to try to get his own. What makes you one of these so bad?
I want a Mac, and I don't want to buy an extra monitor.
Okay.
And look at it.
It is beautiful.
The mouse and keyboard, they're blue, and my favorite color, yes, is red. This blue is one of the prettiest colors they have ever created. You gotta admit.
It looks really good.
And then the back, though.
Yeah, the back is amazing. This thing is really cool. So just so you know, same M1 chip that's been out in the Mac Mini, MacBook Pro, and the MacBook Air. Everything has the same chip, same configuration as far as all that goes. You just get a larger screen, obviously, with this one built in. And then also, this does have a 1080p camera on it, which is more than what you got with the MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. There's also multiple mics, I believe 3 different mics, one on the back and then a couple in the front. And then the speaker system is supposed to be insane. I will be testing that out as we go about this week. The Magsafe cable looks very cool. I can't wait to give that a try. So I'm gonna be hooking this thing up and using it as my main system for that screen. It's 4.5K. It's not quite 5K, but more than 4K. And I mean, this thing just looks gorgeous. So be sure to keep checking the videos because I will do an update on how well everything works. I'm gonna be editing this video on this system as soon as I get it hooked up. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week and I will see you in the next one. God bless.